Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Mike and I and the girls were about to head out to go to the store. Well, we're gonna go drop off the girls at Papa's and Dee's house, and me and Mike are gonna go to the store, either Kohl's or Target. I'm not sure where yet. And we're gonna go Christmas shopping for me. And this is the shirt I'm wearing today. A ferret shirt. Why? Because it's almost Christmas. But I've had this shirt for like maybe maybe I've had it for like seven years. A long time, but I love it. It's a little ferret. But Mike's showering right now. We woke up this morning, we went to church with Jima, and then me and Mike went to the gym. We literally just got back maybe like 30 minutes ago, so I literally cut myself a few days ago peeling potatoes because I was gonna make mashed potatoes, and it went pretty deep. It did hurt. It was bleeding a lot, and I'm not gonna show you, so there, a new one. But I'm pretty much all done with wrapping. I have a few things arriving tomorrow from Amazon, and then I was almost scared because Michael's parents' stuff were gonna arrive this last Friday, but then it changed to like it was going to arrive next week, the 27th. So I was like, oh my god, they're not gonna get their stuff, like they're not gonna open their presents on Christmas or whenever we see them. But they arrived this Saturday, so I was like, I was so happy. I don't know if you can hear Michael singing. He's in the bathroom. And I forgot to mention, this is what Elena did in class at church. Happy birthday, Jesus. And then this is what Itaya did. A cake. Jesus is born. So cute.
There he is.
Are you ready to shop for me, babe?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go to Kohl's first. Now you're wearing a jacket. These are cute. But I don't know yet. I also like these. They didn't have any of my size. So we're leaving Kohl's. We're gonna go to Target now. I didn't find anything. Oh, I didn't get anything there. I did find a few things, but it wasn't like I wanted it for like Christmas. I did find this really cute fancy dress, but yeah, I didn't get it. Maybe another time. Let's hope I find something here at Target. I don't know, maybe I'm just not in the mood for shopping right now, I guess. Haven't found anything yet. Been here for 5 minutes. So I might get these socks, 3 pairs. And then I'm gonna grab my favorite chocolate.
So cute.
And then I'm gonna get this. I don't know which one to get. This one or this one. So I might get this one for like the gym. I'm also gonna get this. Now we're coming to Walmart because we gotta look for dinner stuff for tonight. I might look for a few things here. Which one are you getting? I'm looking for earmuffs, but I can't find them. And then I'm annoyed with my hair because it's being so staticky. And then I'm gonna get more tights. So Michael got a new Ninja coffee maker. He's gonna try it out and see if he likes it. He's so excited for it. He's gonna try it out tonight. What do you have? Almond milk?
Joey! Oh, buddy boy. Hey, buddy boy, come on.
Zoe!
Brady!
So we just got home. It's currently 7:30 and I just made myself some buldak ramen or ramen. So good. I added some mozzarella cheese and some just landed on my glasses. Of course. So yummy. I do like to eat it with seaweed. It's really good. Gonna add some to it. Like that. Ah. So good. Alright, so I'm gonna show you everything I got from the store. I'm gonna start with Target. So I got the Stanley green cup. It's gonna be mostly for like going to the gym. Socks, 3 pairs. These Skittle Pops. Freeze-dried candy. And obviously my favorite chocolate. Alright, so now I'm gonna show what I got at Walmart. So I got this circle cup. I don't know if you can see it. It's light pink. It looks like white on camera. I don't know. And these are the flavors I got. Pink refresher and mango dragon fruit refresher and grape. I'm excited to use it, but I'm gonna wrap all of these so I can open them on Christmas morning. I also got myself this. It's the pressed powder. I don't normally like use makeup, but like usually like when I have like visits, I just cover up with this. I don't like using like the other stuff. And then Michael also got himself one. He wasn't going to since he got the coffee maker, but I was like, I wanted to match. So I was like, I think you should. So he got this one. And these are the flavors he got. Paradise refresher. Raspberry tea. And black cherry. I also got myself a candle, cashmere, I don't know how you pronounce that. And I also got myself this set with a brush, and then that brush with a little mirror and the clip. I mean, it was $5, so I was like, I'll get it. And I think I got this at Target. I'm pretty sure I did, but I don't mind. I don't care for the headband. I cared more. I couldn't find like the single ones, but I only care for the wrists ones. So like when I'm washing my face, the water doesn't go down my arms. It just, this catches the water. And then we needed a new bed sheet, so I got a new one. The green kind of goes with like our comforter, so I needed to find one that matches our comforter. So yeah, and it was only like $18, so I was like, I'll get it. Wasn't like expensive like the other ones. I was either gonna get sheets either at Walmart or TJ Maxx, but I didn't want to go to TJ Maxx because I know there was gonna be a big line because there's normally a big line at TJ Maxx every time I go during like close to like Christmas. So I would have been mad. Michael would have been probably more mad. And since I was gonna wrap my gifts and Michael's cup, I got more wrapping paper. It's cute, and it was only $3 at Target. But yeah, that's all I got for Christmas, or that's all I chose. So I was looking for earmuffs at the stores I went to, and they didn't have them. Like none. So I might order them on Amazon. What else? I was looking at gym shoes at Kohl's, but they didn't have any of my size, so I was like, oh, of course. I might have to order those on Amazon too. What else? I also was gonna look for UGG slippers because Talia has some for her age, and my sister has them. She actually has 2 pairs. She has like a lilac color and the brown. So I was like, I've been wanting them for like 2 years now, but I never like added them to my list. But I might buy like the cheaper one, like maybe like a $25 ones. And if I like them enough, or if I take good care of them, then I might buy the actual UGG slippers, but we'll see. I did see on Kohl's app they did have them. That's why I went there first, but I could not find them at all. So I was like, oh. I literally did not buy anything there. It was just, I was, I guess, not in the mood to shop there, I guess. I don't know if that makes sense. I mean, I kind of wish I bought that black dress that I told you about earlier. I don't know. I might go back and get it. It was so cute. I wish I took a video of it to show you guys, but so I'm gonna start wrapping, and that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and happy holidays. Bye.